This is chapter 11, question 9. So, when coal is burnt, gaseous oxides of carbon and sulfur are formed. So, let's consider both complete and incomplete combustion. Yep. So, if you have incomplete combustion of carbon, you get carbon monoxide. You have complete combustion of carbon, you get carbon dioxide. Now, sulfur, okay, can only undergo complete combustion. Okay, there's no products of incomplete combustion for sulfur. So complete combustion of sulfur, you get sulfur dioxide. So all these are pollutants. Then they say to prevent these pollutants to pollute the atmosphere, they add calcium carbonate, okay, to this burning coal plant. And the temperature of the process, right, is high, so cause the decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide. So actually calcium oxide is the main compound that will react with the pollutants to reduce the pollutants. So we look at statement 1, 2, 3. They are showing you the reaction between calcium oxide and these gaseous oxides. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Calcium oxide reacts with sulfur dioxide to form calcium sulfide. Okay, so let's write the equation. Okay, for the first one, number 1, put it here. So calcium oxide reacts with sulfur dioxide. Okay, now let's balance the equation. We should get calcium sulfide, which is CaSO3. Now, let's look at this equation. Correct or not? Yeah, 1 Ca, 1 sulfur, 3 oxygen. Yes, balance the equation. So number 1 is correct. Then number 2, calcium oxide reacts with sulfur dioxide and more air to form calcium sulfate. Now let's write the equation again. Calcium oxide reacts with sulfur dioxide, reacts with more air, air means oxygen. We get calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Now, is it balanced? Ca, okay, 1 Ca, 1 S. Okay, I need 4 oxygen, 2 oxygen here. Okay, 1 here, that means I need only half the O2. But can I get calcium sulfate? Yes. Okay, so number 2 is also correct. Now, the third one, calcium oxide reacts with carbon monoxide to form calcium carbonate. Okay, let's write the equation again. Let's check. Calcium oxide reacts with carbon monoxide. Okay, from the statement, I should get calcium carbonate. Now, let's look at whether it is balanced or not. Calcium, okay, 1 calcium, 1 C, 3 O here, but only 2 O here. Okay, so this is not correct. If I need another 1 O, I need to add another half O2, right? But in this statement, it didn't say more air like statement number 2. So the third one is not correct because this equation is not balanced and is not correct. So the answer is only 1 and 2 are correct. B.